What's up fam, it's me AD and a proud member of TPS Studio Dazzling. As you guys know, we have started this platform to help people grow. So for today, we're going to do something different. Go outside and take people's review for the work we are doing.
यहाँ चाहिँ मेरो साथी सम्बोधन हो नि तपाईँहरू सबैलाई फुल चाहियो भने मेरो साथीकोबाट रिजनेबल रेटमा किन्न सक्नुहुन्छ